Hi everybody, this is Stan Slaughter from Missouri Organic Recycling, and I'm here at our Northtown climate-friendly yard makeover site. And what's happening in the background is tarping a really large flower garden that we're going to plant in the basic time frame about October 15th, but we'll have 2.5 months of heat and lack of light that's going to kill the grass here and remove the competition from these native plants. And this run actually goes all the way up another 50 feet to the very front of the house. So it's going to be a beautiful native planting, going to kind of block the view of the cars and the driveway and set this property off. So we're really excited about it.